Hi everybody, this is your Burmese instructor Kenneth Wong. In this video, I'll introduce you to the diacritic combo that gives you the Aung vowel sound and the associated glottal stop, Au vowel. You get the Aung vowel sound, similar to the vowel in words like bound or sound with a nasal ending. And you get this with this combo, the spiral thui toe at the front with a yecha and a banner nga or ngatha at the back. If you take the ma consonant and place it into this diacritic combo, you get maung, the prefix for young male. For example, if somebody's name is Mogaung and he's a young man, you'd call him Maung Mogaung. And if you take the sa long, the sa consonant, and add it into the middle of this diacritic combo, you get saung, saung, the word for blanket. If you take the la consonant and add it into the middle of this diacritic combo, you get laung, laung, the verb to burn, as in mi laung de, mi laung de. A fire is burning. The aung sound is a long vowel sound, so with any long vowel sound, you can cut it short by adding the aukmye, the bottom palate, or raise the tone by adding the wissabauk or two palates. So if you add aukmye, the bottom palate, to sound, it becomes sound, sound, short tone, meaning to wait. For example, zema sauneme, zema sauneme. I'll wait for you at the market. This is a male prefix, maung, but if you add two palates or wissabauk to it, it becomes maung, the verb to drive, as in driving a car. For example, ka maung de, to drive a car. If you add wissabauk or two palates to sound, you get sound, high tone, meaning the Burmese harp. If you add saling consonant instead, then you get sound, sound, the word for winter or cold season. These three words, read in order, would be sound, 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 sound. But the meanings are very different. Sound is to wait, sound is blanket, and sound is the Burmese harp, the musical instrument. More examples. If you take the first letter, ka, and add it into this diacritic combo, the one with two palates, wissabauk, then you get down, down, to be well or good, as in ne kaung de, I'm feeling well, I'm doing fine. Da yappe is a combo that gives you ja, ja. But if you put it into this diacritic combo, you get jaung, jaung, school or monastery. Earlier you came across this word, to burn, laung. If you add wissabauk, it becomes laung, laung. That means to pour liquid on something. For example, ye laung ne, to pour water on something. Now let me teach you also the glottal stop that is closely related to the aung diacritic combo. The spiral thui toe, followed by the yecha and the banner nga or ngatha, gives you aung. For example, kaung, as written here, which is the counting word for animals. But instead, if you swap out the banner nga, ngatha at the end with the banner ka, gata, it becomes a glottal stop. It becomes out. Let me show you the difference. So thui toe with gaji, yecha, ngata is kaung. But thui toe with gaji, yecha, gata is kau, kau, meaning to be crooked or curly. Zabeng kau kau, zabeng kau kau, curly hair. Gaji with yaye gives you the sound ja, ja. So if you write it like this with a ngata at the end, you get the word jaung, jaung, the word for cat. But if you write it like this with a kata instead, you get the word jiao, jiao, to fear, to be afraid of something. For example, jaung jiaute, jaung jiaute, that means to be afraid of cats. This word would be read yaung, yaung, because it is written with ya or yagao consonant, and it means color, as in a ni yaung, red color, a wa yaung, yellow color, apyayang, blue color, and so on. If you change the ending ngata into tata, it becomes the glottal stop word yao, yao, as in to arrive. For example, San Francisco yaupi. We have arrived in San Francisco. So these four variations written like this would be read gaung, short vowel, gaung, long vowel, gaung, high tone, and gao, glottal stop. One more time, gaung, 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 gao. And these four variations written like this will be read laung, short vowel, laung, long vowel, laung, high tone, and lau, glottal stop. One more time, laung, 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 lau. And these four variations should be read zhao, 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 zhao. That's it for today's episode, and here's my final example. Pamazago machao ne. Pamazago machao ne. Don't be afraid of Burmese language. See you later. Nang matui me.